I've been teaching systems to solopreneurs all the way up to $10 million companies, basically streamlining the company. We make everything work from start to finish. So scalability is actually software that we use to build what we call lead capture systems. So you can build your website with forms and surveys and everything else that actually trigger automations. And we have AI built into everything to where it can answer calls, texts, emails, Facebook messages, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, all of it, all in one place inside where. So we scalability is a software platform, and we've got full done for you to where you can literally pay us to come in and sit down with you for your company and create a system from start to finish and streamline everything for you. And then we can completely build it for you and hand it to you and teach you how to use it. Or you can just go month to month and show up and work on it yourself and just have the software and build it in. And then we have Freedom Friday calls where we give you strategy so that you can build on your own to actually work inside there. So everything we do revolves around streamlining businesses from start to finish, simplifying software, simplifying the process to where it's something that actually captures leads and converts them instead of just having pretty websites and things. That's scalability.
If you need to get your system set up, your flow, take advantage of technology, Aaron's your man.